Utrogestan is a type of progesterone known as micronized progesterone. It derives from plants, specifically yams, and is structured exactly the same as the progesterone produced naturally by the human ovaries. For women with a uterus, it's essential to add a progesterone on the HRT to protect the lining of the womb from the effects of the estrogen. Without it, the lining of the womb can overgrow, increasing the risk of endometrial cancer. A progestogen maintains a healthy lining of the womb. Utrogestan can be taken in two different ways: cyclically, which stimulates monthly bleeding and is ideal for peri-menopausal ladies who still has the periods, and continuously, which avoids monthly bleeding and is ideal for post-menopausal ladies. It's typically taken orally and at the bedtime to minimize the potential side effects, such as dizziness and drowsiness. I hope it helps. Keep well.